Hello everyone, welcome to my channel GK for GC. Here today we will discuss general knowledge GK questions. Instruction: please watch the video till in without skipping it, and a request. If you find my channel interesting, useful and informative, please like, share, subscribe it and support us. So let's start today's GK questions discussion. These questions are from biology. Question number 1. The study of the microanatomy of cells, tissues and organs as seen through a microscope is called option 1 paleontology, paleo, paleontology, option 2 histology, option 3 ichthyology, option 4 entomology. The answer is option 2 histology. Histology is the branch of biology that studies the microscopic structure of tissues and cells. Question number 2. The total number of living organisms, both plants and animals, in a given area is called option 1 buffers, option 2 biomass, option 3 batholith, option 4 barrage. The answer is option 2 biomass. Biomass refers to the total mass of all living organisms in a specific area, including plants and animals. Question number 3. Which muscles in the skin contract to make the hairs on our skin stand up straight when we are cold or frightened? Option 1 elastin, option 2 epidermis, option 3 collagen, option 4 erector pili. The answer is option 4 erector pili. Erector pili muscles are small muscles attracted to hair follicles that contract when a person is cold or frightened, causing goosebumps. Question number 4. The entire content of a living cell, including the cytoplasm and the nucleus, is known as option 1 cell membrane, option 2 protoplasm, option 3 mitochondria, option 4 lysosomes. The answer is option 2 protoplasm. Protoplasm refers to the living substance within a cell comprising the cytoplasm and nucleus. Question number 5. Flagella are hair-like structures that act as organelles of movement in which of the following organisms? Option 1 amoeba, option 2 bacteria, option 3 virus, option 4 paramecium. The answer is option 2 bacteria. Flagella are whip-like appendages that help bacteria move in liquid environments. Question number 6. The ability of a single cell to produce a fertile adapted individual is called option 1 pluripotency, option 2 totipotency, option 3 cloning, option 4 mutation. The answer is option 2 totipotency. Totipotency is the ability of a cell to develop into an entire organism or any cell type. Question number 7. At least how much of the carbon dioxide fixation on Earth is carried out by algae through photosynthesis? Option 1 a quarter, option 2 a half, option 3 1/10, option 4 1/3. The answer is option 4 1/3. Algae play a crucial role in carbon dioxide fixation through photosynthesis, contributing about 1/3 of global CO2 fixation. Question number 8. Identify the component that is unique only to prokaryotes. Option 1 nucleus, option 2 chromosomes, option 3 mesosome, option 4 nuclear membrane. The answer is option 3 mesosome. Mesosomes are folded invaginations in the plasma membrane of prokaryotic cells, aiding in cells processes like DNA replication. Question number 9. Which of the following microscopic cells have an amoeboid shape with a distinctive central membrane? Option 1 nerve cells, option 2 white blood cells, option 3 guard cells, option 4 red blood cells. The answer is option 2 white blood cells. White blood cells, WBCs, are immune cells that have an amoeboid shape and help fight infections. Question number 10. For what discovery was Jan Evangelista Perkins, known in 1839? Option 1 proposed a lipid bilayer membrane. Option 2 discovered plasma membrane. Option 3 coined the term protoplasm. Option 4 discovered the nucleus. The answer is option 3 coined the protoplasm. Jan in Evangelista Perkins introduced the term protoplasm to describe the living content of cells. Question number 11. Which of the following serves as the cell's digestive system, degrading material taken from outside and digesting undigested components of the cell? Option 1 ribosomes, option 2 lysosomes, option 3 smooth endoplasmic reticulum, option 4 cytosol. The answer is option 2 lysosomes. Lysosomes contain digestive enzymes that break down waste materials and cellular debris. Question number 12. Which cell theory proved that the quasi-fluid nature of lipids enables lateral movement of proteins within the overall bilayer? Option 1 cell theory, option 2 fluid mosaic model, option 3 model of Golgi apparatus, option 4 vacuole theory. The answer is fluid mosaic model. The fluid mosaic model describes the dynamic nature of the plasma membrane, allowing protein movement within the lipid layer. Question number 13. Under the electron microscope, which cell organelle is visible as either clusters or single small dots floating freely in the cytoplasm? Option 1 Golgi apparatus, option 2 ribosomes, option 3 vesicles, option 4 peroxisomes. The answer is ribosomes. Ribosomes are small structures that synthesize proteins and can be found freely floating in the cytoplasm or attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. Question number 14. What do you call the water holding compounds produced in large quantities by marine, brown and red algae? Option 1 lipids, option 2 carbohydrates, option 3 hydrocolloids, option 4 gelatin. The answer is option 3 hydrocolloids. Hydrocolloids are gelatinous substances produced by algae used in food, medicine and industrial applications. Question number 15. Identify the cell that has an amoeboid shape. Option 1 nerve cell, option 2 columnar epithelial cell, option 3 red blood cell, option 4 white blood cell. The answer is option 4 white blood cell. White blood cells have an amoeboid shape, enabling them to move through tissues and fight infections. Question number 16. Which structural layer surrounds algal, fungal and plant cells, providing tensile strength and protection against mechanical and osmotic stress? Option 1 cell membrane, option 2 plastids, option 3 cell wall, option 4 vacuole. The answer is option 3 cell wall. The cell wall is a rigid outer layer found in plant, fungal and algal cells that provides structural support and protection. Question number 17. Which of the following statements is correct about mitochondria? Option 1 mitochondria are present only in bacteria. Option 2 mitochondria are present in all living cells. Option 3 mitochondria are not bound by any membrane. Option 4 mitochondria without an outer membrane are called mitoplasts. The answer is option 4 mitochondria without an outer membrane are called mitoplasts. A mitoplast is a mitochondrion that has lost its outer membrane but retains its inner membrane and matrix. Question number 18. In cell biology, what is a large double membrane organelle, sometimes referred to as the central unit of the cell because it contains chromosomes that bear genetic material? Option 1 peroxisome, option 2 nucleus, option 3 mitochondrion, option 4 lysosome. So the answer is option 2 nucleus. The nucleus houses the cell's DNA and controls gene expression and cell growth. Question number 19. How is food stored in brown algae? Option 1 in the form of glucose, option 2 in the form of complex carbohydrates like lani- laminarian, laminarin or mannitol, option 3 in the form of starch, option 4 in the form of sucrose. The answer is option 2 in the form of complex carbohydrates like laminarin or mannitol. Brown algae store energy as laminarin or mannitol, which serve as carbohydrate reserves. Question number. Okay. So thank you everyone. Like, share, and subscribe GK for GC. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.